Currently, the biggest challenge that I feel the industry is facing is mostly the trust. I mean, last 2 3 years we have seen people moving away from buying gold for various reasons. I think the biggest reason is on the purity, the standards that we have not maintained, and also the scams that's been going on. Another thing which I feel is not bringing the industry together to build up the trust is having so many association, and each and every association have their own agendas, and that's one of the reason why no association is talking to each other. What we need going forward is not to be dependent upon what government wants to do. I think government have their own part to play, but I think it is a bigger initiative by the industry itself, to come together, to cater to the public, to bring build up the trust. And I feel that if this is not done going forward, this industry will not prosper. The good thing, what the new initiative that we have taken is to bring all the bodies together. I think if we all speak from one platform, it will be better for the industry. I think public will then have that trust that no two voices are heard in the market. A single voice for the people of this India is what the current situation demands. And my feeling is that this new initiative taken by the WGC is on the right direction, which will give a better feel good factor to the market. Also, what I feel that the main thing, I think the biggest negative for this industry is also the infrastructure that has not been coming up. People are scared. I think jewelers are scared from investing. Lately, what I feel is the this initiative that WGC has taken of bringing all the bodies together, one platform for one voice. I think this is the best thing that can happen to this industry. At least people will see that there are no two different voices being spoken about, and I hope that we take this forward and get that confidence back from the public. Thank you.